Good afternoon, guys, or good evening, or good morning, whatever time you're watching. Today, previously we did the belt and we did the wipers. In this one, we're going to try removing the EGR. So all of that stuff there, all these piping going all the way, and then whatever's behind that, if you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to remove that and see how it goes. I'm just hoping it won't throw up a CEL. So far what I've done is I've removed the bumper. To be honest, if you're not comfortable removing the bumper, I wouldn't recommend doing this anyway. If you know how to remove the bumper, go for it. So the tools you need are these. I think so. You do not need this. I'm only gonna use it because I'm lazy. You don't need a long 3x8 wrench. You can use a short one as well, or a quarter or a half. It doesn't really matter as long as you have a 10mm socket and a 12mm socket. Pliers is to remove the hoses. That's the resistor, and you definitely need an extension. That's about it. We're gonna try removing the we're gonna unplug. I've already unplugged it. I don't want to I'll show you what I've unplugged. So basically what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put this resistor in and see if the engine management light comes on. If it doesn't come on, then we're gonna proceed. Right, so first what we're going to do is we're going to remove the battery. Well, not the battery, just the negative terminal of the battery, and the next, and there's a plug on the other side. That one, the one with the green and white wire. That's out. So next what we're going to do is we're going to try putting this resistor into the plug which is on the off side with the, is it green wire? Yeah, green and white wire. So just plug it in like that. The reason we're plugging it in like that is just to test it if the engine management light comes on. That's all we want to do, just so we put the battery back in. Go into it. There you go. Voila. No engine management light, which is good, and it helps. Oh shit. That's not good. Right, I'm quickly going to log on to my OBD2. I use the app called Talk. I've already got a dongle connected just because of this. See what fault codes are showing. Because I previously had a little code. Yeah, it's P14. Secondary air is not being diverted. Blah blah blah. Lexus, Toyota, shit like that. Let's see if we can clear it. There you go. That is it. That won't be coming on anymore. hopefully. See, it's been few seconds now, so yeah, that means it's working. Voila, that's how you do it. Right, so we're gonna go forward and remove whatever there is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward all of this. So what I'm trying to remove is this part and all of this. I've already removed the two pipes coming out of the well, make it easier, this. I've already removed them, so now it's just these. I think getting access to some of the one of the pipes is going to be a bit pain in the ass, you know. As you can see, I don't know if you can, but the pipe there is held by a 10mm screw just there. 10mm bolt, not a screw. And then there is another bolt on the other side, and there's bolt on the other side as well, just behind the engine under the fuse box. Yeah, I think that's going to be a bit pain in the ass to remove. We're gonna try it anyway. Let's see how it goes. Right, the bolt, there's a bolt around there somewhere. That took me around 8 minutes to remove, which is pretty horrible and horrendous, and I've got like a bunch of marks all over my hands. But that's the fun bit of you know, doing some DIY shit. Now we can stop just a sec. This close down. Next, this pipe here out. Now there are two. There. And here's a 12 mil. That's off. There you go. There you go. Right, I have managed to find a little plate and I've marked it around. The gasket is an aluminium plate I had from when I made a little bit, not a little bit, what do you call them? I think extensions. This is what we've done so far. Yeah, we're just gonna go through it, see how it goes. I have managed to cut the plate and make the grind it off or whatever, and I put a little IRR thing on it. I didn't have a lot of different cutters, so the edges, they are quite, well, the edges are all over the place, to be honest, but it fits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the gasket right there, gaskets on, and then this plate. Like that, and there you go. Right, let's tighten this baby now. That's one. Hopefully I won't drop any of the washers. That's done, all tightened up. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try removing these pipes and see how far we get with, see how far we go with it. To install this quickly, so what we're going to do is first we're going to cable tie it to this area, the headlight bracket, the wing bracket, whatever it's called. Okay. The resistor. The resistor itself is, there you go. That's what's listed on S2KI, and that's what we use. Right, the DIY is fully complete now. After doing, you know, fitting the plate there and removing this, removing all the pipes from this side, removing all the pipes from this side, and you know, whatever cluster there was and whatever pipes were there underneath there, what you have to do is you have to block this bit. I'm cheaping out, so I kind of cut the hose, stuck a bolt in it, and there you go. I'm going to put a cable tie or something to keep it more secure, and what I've done is, let's see if I can show you, I have stuck a couple of screws in those holes. So yeah, that's about it. That's all done. I'm going to start the car and see how it goes now. Let's have a look, see if there is any engine light. I'm hoping there isn't. There you go. That's all there is to do. Apparently, I didn't know this, it will take a bit longer to warm up your car as you have removed the air pump, but to be honest, I'm not really bothered. It doesn't bother me. And yeah, this is exactly how you do this DIY You remove the EGR valve, bunch of pipes. It's like probably about 8 bolts altogether, maybe 7 or 8 bolts. Sorry, I think 6 or 7 bolts, then 2 nuts. You need a little plate, a little resistor, and that's about it. And that's exactly how you do it. And that's about it. That's yeah, that's exactly how you do this. Please like my video, subscribe, and do what you got to do to you know, share it on your Facebook, Instagram. I've got Instagram as well, EML. You can follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, if you guys have any ideas what other DIYs you would want to see, please give me a shout. I'll try my best to come up with it. But like I said, let's I'll keep it to S2000, or you know, like I've said in my previous video as well, I've got a case swap Civic. It's an EK Civic I'm doing a case swap on, so if you need any guidance on that, please do let me know. I'll try to make a video on that too. All right, see you guys, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, take care, bye bye.